Hello again. Right, first off, apologies if you can hear some banging in the background. I've got some building work going on, but get that out of the way. So just something that occurred to me that I never talk about or haven't talked about, and it deserves a unique video in terms of this. Never be too eager to get into the trades. Look, we've got a 15-minute reversal here, and we've got the very good looking distance between the overbought and the reversal candle, and as you can see, it has actually failed, if you like, although the stop loss, if it was a 2B reversal, the stop loss would be below here, but if I'd entered for whatever reason, the stop loss should be around about here, and you probably would have got an entry about here on the M5. So if we look at M5 now, you can clearly see what we've got going on here. Descending trend line, break of the trend line, and a potential trade. Now, this happened, actually I think it happened yesterday in a similar way. Literally, we had the 3 candle reversal on that candle there. We had the, and then we dropped to the 5-minute. And at the exact same time as the 3 candle reversal happened, we had a RSI bust, pullback, break and close. Now, that's no good. This happened the exact same way yesterday, and we must wait for the pullback and then a new break and close. So I don't think I've ever mentioned this before in a video, so this is really quite important, because there is no way I would consider that. The other reason being that this is the first pullback in this big move. We are overextended, but it's an odd time of day. We're just entering into the American session as well. In fact, it's I'm never sure if it starts at 1 UK time or 1:30, but regardless, it is not quite 1:30 yet, it's 1:15. So the Americans, traditionally, what can happen is you will either get a continuation when you change from the London to the American session, obviously, or you will get a reversal. I know that's fundamental, and it's obvious, a 50-50 choice, but it's sort of a worthwhile thing to watch for when you change your session. So when you go from the Asian session to the London session, you can, when you get the move of the session, as it were, that tends to be the move for the next few hours. So potentially, if this starts to go down again, then I would expect, to be honest with you, it to not drop much further, because this is an exceptional ADR move again, especially for the pound and pound dollar. But any good quality signal to the upside, a good push with momentum. Notice that didn't have much momentum. A good push with momentum, and everything else on the higher time frames tallying up, then it looks like it's right for reversal. But the whole point of this video was not to get faked in too early. The first reversal of the back to the rubber band, if you like, even though it's overextended, and definitely wait for the pullback on that M5 RSI histo alert when it combines with the 15-minute candle close. So just a few things to be aware of. Also, what we can see now, looking at this chart, is clear lack of strength to the downside. Technically, I don't think we've broken the low there, but regardless, that's still, you can clearly see, some divergence traders will not consider this valid divergence if this low hasn't been broken by this. Personally, I don't, I know I'm anal about certain things, candle highs and lows and precision, but I'm not that way with divergence. Divergence, if it looks divergent, it probably is divergent, even on that time frame as well. So as it is, actually that has made a lower low. You can clearly see that now on the line chart, the close of the candles. Anyway, apologies for digressing, but you've got the point of the video hopefully. Always wait for the pullback, and you should be safe. You know, we've got another descending trend line going on here now, and we can wait patiently for it to do its stuff. Up or down, we just follow the price. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon.